The only way to actually be able to do your timing correctly is to be able to visualize your dog and actually practice that connection and looking to the correct place. So when you're looking to your dog, when you're looking to the line, when you're looking to the landing are kind of like the three main things. We want to never, ever, ever be looking to the obstacle while we're running or while we're walking. Because if we do that while we're walking, we're going to start looking to the obstacles while we're running, and then we're going to drop our connection. And we're not going to be looking to the correct place that our dog needs us to be looking to on course when we're running. Another big one is the more you focus on something you don't want your dog to do in a walkthrough, the more likely you'll accidentally cue it. So I see this a lot in class. Like if, there's a tunnel trap or there's an off-course obstacle that maybe looks super appealing potentially to a lot of dogs. I find, students focusing heavily on, okay, how do I make my dog not go there? And the thing is our brains are really good at focusing on something and then doing the thing we don't want to do because we're focused on it. If you want to just focus on those single course throughout the week, that's totally fine. You can then again practice that walkthrough, do your walkthroughs, then your run, and then submit that to me again. So that would be 2 sessions on the same course, which is totally fine. Or if you want to, you can do, 1 walkthrough plus 1 course run of one course, and then 1 walkthrough plus 1 course run of another course. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze your course walks against your course runs and discuss the differences and similarities, as well as things you can do during your walkthroughs to make your runs even stronger. So that timing is pretty darn good. And again, I'm rotating both times. I'm on the exact same running path through here, and I'm doing the front cross in almost the exact same position, maybe a step difference, but pretty darn close.